Assalamualaikum. I'm Norhaina Kodarat and my partner is Jun Hidin. We are Group 11 and our topic today is about soils and water requirements. Almost a third of the service area of the irrigation system rests right along a floodplain marked by numerous channels, scarce an area that once was part of the riverbed. In fact, several of the Zanzeras farmlands which were actually reclaimed from what used to be the river's bottom. The soils from these sites tend to have higher proportion of sand and less clay content than soil from areas further island. The farm along the river therefore have higher seepage and per- percolation rates, hence higher water requirements than area island. Table 23 lists the type of soils found in the service areas of each at the 9 Sanzeras and the respective proportions of clay found with the oils which were analyzed. Ang lugar ng serbisyo ng sistema ng irrigation ay pangunahing matatagpuan sa kahabaan ng isang floodplain, dating isang riverbed na may mga nareklimen na bukirin. Ang mga site na ito ay may mas mataas na nilalaman ng buhangin at mas kaunting luwad na nangangailangan ng mas maraming tubig dahil sa tumaas na pag-agos. At ang talahayang 23 ay naglilis ng mga uri ng lupa at dami ng luwad sa siyam na lugar ng serbisyo. The Zanzeras whole lands fall with the areas closest to the river are Sinigpit, San Pedro, and Colibeng. Their soils range from sandy loam and loam to sandy clay loam. Table 23. Part of the land of San Juan also falls with this area, but extend away from the river. The soil types found here include sandy loam and sandy clay loam. The heavier clay soils are located in areas which are at some distance from the course of the river. The lands farmed by members of San Jose, Cabaroan, Surigao, San Rosario, and Colimbeng. Ang Sinigpit, San Pedro at Colimbeng ay mga sanzera na may mga lupaing malapit sa ilog, na may mga uri ng lupa mula sa sandy loam hanggang luwam at sandy clay loam. Ang San Jose, Cabaroan, Surigao at San ay may mas mabibigat na clay soil habang ang Colimbeng at Rosario ay may sandy loam. Table 24 present the breakdown of the total irrigate hectare of the each Zanzera according to the clay content of the each soils and the responding water requirements. This information allows the computation of an average of weather water requirements for each of the Zanzera service areas. Estimate water requirements, seepage and percolations plus evapotranspiration for rice are given in millimeters of water per day. Those lands where heavy clay soils predominate required for 6 to 7 millimeters of water per day. Lands with lighter soils required of the 8 or more millimeters of water per day. Malaking pagkakaiba-iba ng density ng mga kanal ng sakahan ng mga sektor, kung saan ang San Pedro ang may pinakamataas na density sa 54 metro bawat ektarya, habang ang Rosario ay may pinakamataas na 171 metro bawat ektarya. Ang heograpiya ng rehiyon ay nakaka-impluwensya sa mga pagkakaibang ito. With these estimates, comparison of water use between Sanzeras can be done for the wet season when the entire area is uniformly plotted to be These figures, however, are cured in that they are not based on the actual file. Measurements of water consumption, moreover, the daily estimate requirements do not reflect the variation in the actual water use that occur during different periods with a cropping season. Ang mga pagtatansya para sa paggamit ng tubig ng mga zanzera sa panahon ng tag-ulan ay hindi tumpak dahil sa kakulangan ng mga obserbasyon sa file at hindi isinasaalang-alang ang mga aktwal na iba paggamit ng tubig. The irrigation system is located along the northern banks of the Bacara Winter River. Water is diverted from the river by means of a brass dam and flows through a main canal that runs the length of 12 kilometers. There are 9 sectors that are served by the system, one of each of the zanzeras in the federation. For the sum of this sector, water is conveyed through laterals which connect directly with the main canal. In other sectors, water flows directly from the main canal onto the file. Sistema ng irigasyon na matatagpuan sa Hilagang Pampanga ng Bacar Winter River ay gumagamit ng brass dam upang redirect ang tubig sa 12 kilometrong pangunahing kanal na may 9 na sektor na kumakatawan sa iba't ibang federasyon, zanzeras at literal para sa transportasyon. Although farm density is high for the entire area, the densities of the various sectors vary well. Table 25. The figure ranges from 54 meters per hectare for Santa Rosario to 171 meter per hectare for San Pedro. The variation between sectors can be traced to the topography of the area. The zanzeras north of town, San Jose, San Juan, Sinigpit, San Pedro, and Colimbeng, are situated in an area with rolling terrain where more water canals are necessary to effectively distribute water through the semi-directed file. The zanzeras close to Bacar, Santa Rosario, Nibinib. Malaki ang pagkakaiba-iba ng density ng mga kanal ng sakahan sa mga sektor kung saan ang San Pedro ang may pinakamataas na density sa 54 metro bawat ektarya, habang ang Rosario may pinakamataas na 171 metro bawat ektarya. Ang heograpiya ng rehiyon ay nakaka-impluwensya sa mga pagkakaiba-iba nito.